This is how we do a code 8, guys. This is a code 8. Yeah. This is how we do a code 8, guys. Yeah, your back aligns with your pole, then full swing to your right. Yeah, full swing to your right. Then reverse looking at your left mirror until you see the third pole on your left mirror. As soon as you see your third pole, you stop. Then you tilt your steering once, then it becomes straight. Then your mirror must align with the first pole this side. Sharp. As soon as it aligns, full swing to your left, then reverse. Then your car is right inside. Then you stop, danko. Then you tilt your steering once to your right, danko. Oh, then that's your parking. Asbo. I'm a baby, man.